Rhea went to the library to take out a book about spiders, but she couldn't find one. She found lots of books about farm animals. Rhea kept searching. She found books about undersea creatures, but not spiders. There were books about birds, but there weren't what Rhea wanted. Rhea was getting frustrated. Sandy stopped by. "I'm reading the best book," she said. "What is it about?" Rhea asked. "Spiders," Sandy told her. "Would you like to read it with me?" Rhea was very happy to sit down and share the book with her friend.